So here I am at District Taco, and this is the art-omat. A lot of people know this. It's an old cigarette vending machine, and it has $5 art in it that you can pull the handle and get a piece of art. I'll go slow here. I think I'm gonna get that one. The hand-drawn originals. Paintings, all kinds of cool stuff. So they upgraded it. It'll take a credit card or $1. Maybe it's dollars. Yeah, you have to put $1 in it, $5. So I'm gonna try it. I'll probably have to go get cash. So the dots are pretty popular. Yeah, it's cool. So I'm gonna get the hand-drawn art, and let's see here. I got my $5. So I'm gonna put my $5 in there. There it goes. I heard it click. It's flashing now. So the hand-drawn art, here it goes. Ah man, I missed it. Came out. Oh, feels nice. It's got some weight to it. Oh, I see. The whole thing's it's on a block, so I can frame it. Very cool. I like it. Nice little desk thing. Cool little gift. I'll take the plastic off, and yeah, I like it. Very cool.